Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to clear all cache and junk files from Windows 10 and 11. So let's begin. Now I am currently in the Windows 11 operating system, but you can do the same process in Windows 10 too. Now you can either press Windows key plus R, or you can just go to the start menu over here, and then on the search bar you can type down run. Now after that you can open the run application. From here you have to type down prefetch. After typing down prefetch, we're going to click on OK. Alright, so we are going to continue with the administration permission. And then we have many files over here. Make sure to select all the file by pressing Ctrl and A, and then deleting all the files. And some files might not be deleted. You can just keep those files because you will not be able to delete them at the current time. So I'm going to close this window. Now we are going to open run again. This time I'm going to press Windows plus R. And then I'm going to type down temp. Again, we're going to allow permission. And then we have lots of files. We're going to press Ctrl A, and then we are going to delete all the files. Now we're going to try again once, but if it fails, then we are going to skip the files that are not able to delete. After skipping, we are going to now close this window too. Now let's go to run again. And this time we are going to add percentage before and after temp, and then we're going to click OK. Then we'll have more files. We're going to press Ctrl A, and then we're going to delete all the files. We're going to press continue, and let's try again. But if it fails, we're going to skip. And then we're going to tick this, do this for all current items, and then we're going to click skip. So the files that are not deletable will be staying in this folder, and the files that are deletable will be deleted. So as you can see, some files will not be deleted because these files are necessary to run your computer. Now I'm going to close this option again. Now again, I'm going to press Windows plus R, and this time I'm going to type down clean mgr. So this is the clean manager. We are going to run this, and as you can see, local drive C is selected by default because my operating system is installed here. You can go through all the drives to make sure that a thorough cleaning is performed, but I'm going to show you on one drive so that you understand the process. So I'm going to select C drive and press OK. Now there are lots of options over here. Now from these options, I'm going to select all these options. So as you can see, I have selected all these options, and total disk amount will be emptied is 3.85 gigabytes. Now I'm going to press OK, and all of these files will be deleted. So I'm going to click delete files, and now it's cleaning up my C drive. So as you can see, the disk cleanup process is complete. Now my junk file and cache file has been cleared. So guys, that is how you can remove your junk and cache file from your Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.